Okay, Jalen, they are wanting us to write and solve 24 times 62 using the distributive property. And what that is where we take the value of the numbers and multiply them. Essentially, that's what we're doing with our area models. So if I were to solve this using an area model, I would divide the 20 up into 20 and 4. And then I would also divide the 62 up into 60 and 2. And you're pretty good at this, so I'm sure that you understand that. And then we multiply our corners. All right, 60 times 20. 6 times 2 is 12 and 2 zeros. 4 times 6 is 24 and 1 zero. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1 zero. So that's one way we can do the distributive property. Another way that I can do it is I can, because we know how to use the algorithm now, I could say, well, let's do 24 times the value of 6 and 24 times the value of 2. So I could say, well, what is 24 times 60? And what is 24 times 2? Well, I'm going to, 0 times 24 is absolutely nothing, so I'm just going to put 0. 6 times 4 is 24, carry my 2. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now let's take a look at the answer choices they gave you. All right, so what they're asking is, which one of these would not be helpful in solving this problem? So essentially, they just kind of took one little piece of all that work that we just did, and they want to know which one of these would not be one of the steps in the problem. So let me finish writing them out. 24 times 6 equals 144, and 4 times 2 equals 8. All right. So if I'm taking a look at this, 20 times 2, I'm doing it right here. Actually, let me do it right here is 20 times 2, so I could use that. 24 times 2, I use doing it that way. 24 times 6, I don't see that anywhere, but let's check D. 4 times 2, I use that there. Now, so this is obviously the wrong answer. And honestly, if we take a look at that, I would know it's wrong without even solving all this work. Because if I came back up here and I looked at my actual problem of 24 times 62, nowhere in this problem is there a value of 6 ones. Okay? The only 6 I have is 6 tens, which is 60. So obviously there's no way that we would use just 24 times 6. So that's why your correct answer is C. I hope that helps, girl. If not, don't stress about it. We're going to be doing a lot more of these, and we don't even take ILEARN until April, so this is just to kind of help getting our brains there. Have a good one. Let me know if you have any more questions.